What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have another air compressor. You guys, I am going air compressor crazy. I'm going jump starter crazy. We're just automotive crazy this week, this month, and the years to come. Because in my opinion, this type of stuff is very important, especially if you have like kids, or if you have, even yourself, if you want something portable, easy to carry around. You don't have to, be a headache on getting a big air compressor or going to a gas station. Hopefully it have free air. But if you don't have an air compressor, a big heavy air compressor or something like that, or if you have a slow leak, you're coming out of work, your tire is flat a little bit, then these will come in handy, you guys. Purchase one of these. Link will be in the description. Usually with these is 150 PSI, 2600 milliamps, 5 modes of settings right there. So there you go. This I'm going to give to my kids. They go to the basketball court a lot, and sometimes they need their air. Oh, not air. Sometimes they need their pump. Sometimes they need their basketball filled up because they either go to the basketball court, they go to the football field. So whatever sporting gear you need air in, then this will be a good tool to have. And the other one is just almost the same. So let me hold the power button. You hold the power button. All right, so you have your little rotating symbol. You could rotate to go to car, motorcycle, bike, basketball, and I don't know what this last one is. So right here you got car. Let me get closer. Car. So motorcycle, bike, basketball, or whatever sporting gear. And then I don't know what this is, but it's a human. It looks like a human. So we'll figure out what that last one is. It has the PSI already set for you. All right, motorcycle has your PSI set for you. So you can set your PSI by going plus and minus right here. So whatever PSI you need for your bike, then there you go. Now, the reason why I said the carrying case is probably one of the most important things is because your extra attachments here to blow up all of your good stuff, like your basketball, your fitness ball, and whatever else you need to blow up. You can put it right here in your carrying bag. So that's awesome. And this comes with 4 caps. So this is nice. I'll save this for whenever I get another car, or whenever that will be. I'm searching for a new car, you guys. Not a brand new car, but ever since I lost my wagon, I haven't been the same. Anyways, why did I go over there? Blah, 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 blah. Back to the product. All right, so here you have your product right here. Now with this, you are able to use these as a power bank, but me personally, I wouldn't use this one as a power bank due to the fact it's not even a lot of milliamps that's in here. So I would definitely just use this as a air compressor. So once again, you can use it as a power bank if you need to use it as a power bank. You could do that as well. Right here, you do have your line. This part right here, this is like a grip to screw it on really tight. So right here, and this is how you screw it on. Give me a second, pull down on that. You can also pull down to get more exposure. That way, once you put it on, there you go. Twist, twist, twist. Once you feel it get a little tight, slide that down and tighten it on. It says it does 28 to 36 PSI in 1 minute, so you can actually calculate that for yourselves if you want to see how much or how fast it does from 0 to whatever your PSI is on your car, maybe 34 or whatever it is, 29, 34, whatever. So you can calculate that yourself. That's what it says in the system. So I think last but not least would be the light. on this, so you do get a flashlight. Okay, all you have to do is tap it, and that's it. So you tap it there, you get the regular light. In case you need to see where you're going, you get the emergency flash again, and then off. All right, you guys, so we are out here with the Syncwire. You have to love this style of air pump, you guys. Air compressor, air pump. Twist it on, and oh, gotta turn it on first. Turn it on, and right now we at 32. It recommends 36 when it comes to this Dodge Journey that we have in our possession. So I don't know if y'all can see that right now, so let me see if there we go. So it recommends 36. So what we are going to do is pump in 36, and let's see, do we have to hit power? Power. Come on, come on, come on. All right, now we have 36. So this one is 32 as well. I'm gonna pump some air. And we still at 3 bars on battery. This is one of the coolest things to get, you guys. I'm not even gonna lie to you. So easy, nice and convenient. You can even charge it in your car. All right, you guys, I'm risking my life right now. I'm in the streets. I'm in the street with y'all. This is the tire that has low pressure on it. My father-in-law, he's gonna buy 4 more new tires. So as you can see, this one it was at 27, but it's 28. Don't know if y'all can see it, but just believe me, it's 28. All right, I'm about to pump some air in here. Right, 36. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.